Hi, my dear children. Welcome back to our Max class. I hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. Today, we are going to continue this chapter, Decimal Forms, with the topic Conversion of metric measures into fractional and decimal forms. Here is a pencil and a ruler. We have to measure the length of this pencil. The length of this pencil is equal to 6 centimeters and 7 millimeters. By putting the length only in millimeters, we can say that the length of this pencil is equal to 67 millimeters. Conversion of millimeters into centimeters in fractional and decimal forms. Here is a number line showing 1 centimeter. This 1 centimeter is divided into 10 subdivisions. Each subdivision is called 1 millimeter. Therefore, we can say that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters and 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Now, we have to find out the decimal form of 1 by 10. We had already studied in the previous class that to find the decimal form of a fraction having the denominators with numbers 1 and zeros, count the number of zeros and place the decimal point such that the number of decimal places are equal to the number of zeros. Here, there is 1 zero in the denominator. Then write the numerator 1 and put the decimal point before one place from the right side towards the left. Then put a 0 before the decimal point. Now we got 1 by 10 is equal to 0.1. We can say that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. That is equal to 0.1 centimeter. Is it clear for you? Next, 7 millimeter is equal to 7 by 10 centimeter. That is equal to, write the numerator 7. Then there is 1 zero in the denominator. Then put the decimal point before one place from the right side towards the left. Then put a 0 before the decimal point. That is equal to 0.7 centimeter. Next, 3 millimeter is equal to 3 by 10 centimeter. That is equal to 0.3 centimeter. Is it clear for you? Next question. The length of the pencil is equal to 6 centimeter and 7 millimeters. That is equal to 6 and 7 by 10 centimeters. The number in the whole number part is 6. Therefore, there are 6 centimeters. Then 7 by 10 centimeters is equal to 0.7 centimeter. That is equal to 0.7. Therefore, 6 and 7 by 10 centimeter is equal to 6.7 centimeters. Next question, 7 centimeters and 3 millimeters. That is equal to 7 and 3 by 10 centimeters. That is equal to 7.3 centimeters. Next question, 12 centimeters and 5 millimeters. We can write it in fraction as 12 and 5 by 10 centimeters. That is equal to, write the whole number part 12. Then 5 by 10 is equal to 0.5 centimeter. Then 12 and 5 by 10 centimeter is equal to 12.5 centimeters. Next, conversion of centimeters into meters in fractional and decimal forms. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Next, we shall convert this 1 by 100 meter into decimal form. For that, write the numerator 1. Then count the number of places in the denominator. There are 3 places in the denominator. Then add 2 zeros before 1 such that the number of digits are same as the denominator. There are 2 zeros in the denominator. Then put the decimal point before 2 places from right towards the left. That means 1 by 100 is equal to 0.01. Therefore, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. That is equal to 0.01 meters. Is it clear for you? Next question is 15 centimeter. That is equal to 15 by 100 meter. Now convert 15 by 100 in the decimal form. Write the numerator 15. There are 2 zeros in the denominator. Then put the decimal point before 2 numbers from right towards the left. Put a 0 before the decimal, that is 0.15. Therefore, 15 centimeter is equal to 0.15 meter. Next question. Sajin measured the length of a table as 1 meter and 13 centimeters. How do you say it in meters only? Here, length of the table is given as 1 meter and 13 centimeters. That is equal to 1 and 13 by 100 meters. Write the number in the whole number part. Then there are 2 zeros in the denominator. Therefore, there must be 2 places in the decimal part. Therefore, 13 by 100 is equal to 0.13. Then 1 and 13 by 100 is equal to 1.13 meters. Next question, 4 meter 25 centimeter is equal to 4 and 25 by 100 meters. That is equal to, write the number in the whole number part 4 here. There must be 2 decimal places after the decimal point, as the number of zeros in the denominator is equal to 2. Therefore, 25 by 100 is equal to 0.25 or 0.25. Then 4 and 25 by 100 meter is equal to 4.25 meters. Next question, 8 meters and 5 centimeter. That is 8 and 5 by 100 meters. Next, we have to find out the decimal form of 8 and 5 by 100 meter. We have to find out the decimal form of 5 by 100 meter. Then write the numerator 5. The number of zeros in the denominator is equal to 2. Then there must be 2 decimal places. For that, we have to add one more 0 before 5. Then put a decimal point. Now, 5 by 100 is equal to 0.05 meter. Therefore, 8 meter 5 centimeter is equal to 8.05 meters. Is it clear for you? That's all for today, children. We shall continue our class on the next day. Okay? Thank you.